Hello guys, it's time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. And if you love this content, if you are willing to make up to $500 profit per day, it also depends on your daily on your capital. Okay, the more your capital, the easier it is, but you can grow your capital gradually until you get to that level. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, this is boom 1000, and I'm on 5-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend milk trading tools to do my analysis right from here. So if you are having, kindly join me right now in this video. Okay, so right from this support zone, okay, this is a major support zone. It was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend right from there, range around there for a while before breaking out above the resistance zone around here. However, it has gotten to this resistance zone, okay, to this sorry about that, to this resistance zone, and of course it has not been able to break out from there. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back fully on downtrend. However, this is still on buying position. Okay, it might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out from there. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and this had been on downtrend for long, guys. It had been on downtrend for long, and of course it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend right now. Okay, so we should expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity from here. Okay, so this is very important because it has gotten to this support zone, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it will keep on selling. And right here we have the support zone. Okay, so this is very important. So let's move on to crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. These had been on uptrend for a very long time, even though the movement was not that smooth, but it is more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so you can see it right here. It got to this resistance zone, but at the pullback, and it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. But at the moment, this is buying at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to put it there that this is still buying at the moment, and of course if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone, then definitely it will start selling right from there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and of course just the way we have seen it, it started an uptrend right from this support zone, and it's but still it got to this region, played back, and of course it's played around there for a while before going up again to break out from this particular resistance zone to form a new resistance zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So it started a downtrend from there, but it didn't go for too long before pulling back again, and of course it went back there and it broke out from that support zone. And definitely this is still very much on downtrend. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, let's check out the last asset, which is going to be volatility 75. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and so till it got to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend from there, and it has been buying since then. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity, but if it's unable to break out from that resistance zone, that is the next resistance zone, then definitely it will start a downtrend from there. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight, and all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis, and of course practice very well before you try the strategies out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.